Russia accused Ukraine on Monday 29 December of attempting to attack the residence of President Vladimir Putin in northern Russia. Although it provided no evidence to support the claim, which Kyiv rejected as unfounded and intended to derail peace negotiations. The heated exchange of words, including Russia's statement that it was reviewing its position in negotiations in response to the alleged attack, dealt a blow to prospect for peace in Ukraine. On Sunday, US President Donald Trump met with President Volodymyr Zelensky in Florida and said they were getting closer, maybe very close, to an agreement to end the war, although complex territorial issues remain. Putin told Trump by phone that Russia, which invaded Ukraine in February 2022, was reviewing its stance following the reported drone attack, and it said, Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov said Ukraine had tried to attack Putin's residence in the Novgorod region west of Moscow on December 28 to 29. Using 91 long-range drones, all of which were destroyed by Russian air defenses. No one was injured and there was no damage, he said in comments reported by Russian media. Satellite images taken in 2023 show the residence of Russian President Vladimir Putin in northern Russia, which Moscow says Ukraine attempted to attack.